Diamonds are forever.
Hey girl, welcome back to my video. It's your girl MAKEUPMOO and I'm back with a very late tutorial on Shayla's collection with ColourPop. Now don't get me wrong, as soon as she launched these products, honey, I was online swiping my card, okay? But let me tell you something, it is prom and wedding season, and honey, I have been working non-stop. So I've been extremely busy. I haven't had time to really sit down and film a video in like a month because my schedule, girl, okay, the money was calling. YouTube don't cut me no checks or pay none of my bills. So you know, my clients and my full-time job came first. So I was kind of burnt out. I just got back from Miami and I'm ready to get these videos popping. So without further ado, let's jump on ahead and get into this makeup tutorial with me using Shayla's collection with ColourPop. Okay y'all, so I did my makeup off camera because as soon as I turned my camera on, my neighbor started arguing in the hallway. Like,
Oh, the ghetto. The ghetto. The ghetto.
so I did my makeup off camera and that's cool because I feel like I really want to focus on the collection. So let's just get into that. So I copied everything from the collection, the eyeshadow, the 3 lipsticks, the lip gloss, and the 2 highlighters. So I'm going to go ahead and start my eyeshadow. So you girls already know the tea. I'm going to start off by prepping my eyelids using MAC's Paint Pot in the shade Painterly. And I'm going to pack that all over my lid. Okay, so now that the girls are primed, I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush and I'm going to pick up the shade Revenge and I'm going to put that right in my crease. Okay, so now that we have Revenge in our crease, I want to say yes to the pigmentation. I don't think I've tried ColourPop's eyeshadow since they first launched them, like when they first came out with those shock individual eyeshadows. I haven't really played with them since then because I didn't really care for them, but this eyeshadow just blended so effortlessly and this color payoff is shabam. So now I want to take that same brush and I want to use the shade Thick, which is this orange color here, and I want to just lightly blend out the edges of Revenge. So now I'm going to take my Morphe M514, which is a smaller blending brush, and I want to take the shade Played Out and put that on the outer V of my eye. Next, I want to add a little bit of Too Faced glitter glue on my lid because I love how this primer holds my glitters and my shimmers. So I'm just going to pat that all over the lid, honey. And then the color I want to use on my lid today is this really pretty iridescent shade here called Sassy. And I'm just going to go back in with that brush that we use in our crease, the Morphe M433, and just, you know, lightly blend out the edges so it looks a little bit more seamless. Actually, I'm going to mix Unbother and TF together, and I just want to pop that right in my inner corner just to give my eyes a little bit more of that sultry, sexy pizzazz. I want to add a little bit of Diva, this pretty copper shade, and I just kind of want to put that in the center so that this eyeshadow really pop. Now I'm just taking a retractable brown liner from NYX, and I'm just going to put that on my waterline as well as my lower lash line. And then then right on that eyeliner, I'm going to take the shade Tightest and sweep that on top of it. Like this side is giving you, can I help you, ma'am? And then this side is like, can I help you, sis? You know, so let's just get the other one on ma'am status. Alright, y'all, so I done added a little mascara, a little lash. These lashes are from a fellow Washingtonian. These lashes are from Glamorous Lashes LLC. And I'm putting on the style Bad Girl. So, you know, I'm just letting my little glue dry or whatever so I can pop her on. So like I said, I have both highlighters and Bowman looks real gold. But is this Pose or Passe? I think it's Pose because there's only one S and one E. Pose looks a little bit more, I feel like, suitable for this look. It's giving me more of a peachy gold, like a rose gold, if I will. So I'm just gonna dump a little out. Yeah, it's more of a peachy. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see what she giving, okay? Ooh, oh. Ooh, girl, she is shapopping. Okay, Shayla. That is a look, honey. This is a highlighter. Okay, yes. We're feeling her. We're feeling her. The life that we needed has been given with this highlighter, okay? You know, we live for a poppin' highlighter. Shapoppin', I shall say. And she's giving it to us. Thank you. So I do have her lipsticks as well. Quickie. She's cute. She bright. What's this one? Come on, sis. That's cute. Not really my style. I don't really like rosy pinks like that on me personally. So it's probably not a color I would grab often. And this one is OOOUUU, which is that corally color. So I think I'm gonna mix these two because it's giving me flavors, the flavors that I was looking for. So I wanted to use my BFF lip pencil from ColourPop. I don't know where she's at. Like, I just don't be understanding how my makeup just be getting legs and walking up out the door. I can never find my go-tos, but that's okay. I'm just going to take a brown lip liner from NYX and line my lips with that. Because, honey, let me tell you something. Shayla's not going to have me walking around looking like Pookie with no lip liner and these colorful lips. Not I. Not you. Get it together. Get you a brown lip liner, sis, okay? And make it do what it do. So now I'm going to take the shade OOOUUU and, you know, we're going to have to mix her real good, girl, because these colors are real pigmented. I just want to go back in with my pencil to make sure she's blended. I just want to pop a little bit of Quickie in the center. I mean, my lips are already big, but you know, I really like that pouty look now. And to top everything off, we're going to use her Neat Freak lip gloss on top and seal the deal, honey. My lips are huge, but it's going to take me a couple of swipes, sis, okay? This is cute. I like this. The lip gloss kind of helped tone the brightness of the lipstick down, but this is real cute, honey. Okay, guys, and this is my final look. What do you guys think? Is she beat or do I need to delete? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching me play with Shayla's collection. I know I'm late, don't come for me. Thank you guys so much for tuning back into one of my videos, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Shabloop.